we're trying to let Miracle out, and we're trying to see if he can fly away. And he's just walking around out here by the pool. Here you go. Here you go. Bring him over here, Farley. There he goes. Is he flying okay? Is he flying okay now? Oh, he's flying. Is he okay? Is he perfectly fine? Oh, good. He's going to be okay then? But is he flying all right? I don't know. I don't know. Looks like he hasn't been very good. Did he fly a little bit weird? Because Farley, if he can't fly, he's going to get stuck again on the street and get killed. Get it? Doesn't look like he could fly really high like normal.
Here, for him to fly too fast, it's like...
Look at him. He's like a little baby in the world. You know, I feel sorry for him in a way. I just want to make sure he's okay. If he can't fly, we can do this every day and then bring him back home. You know what I mean? Take him out for a little while. I just don't want him to be stuck on the. I don't want him to be stuck on the road. He looks a little